All right, the number of potholes in any given 1 mile stretch of freeway pavement in Pennsylvania has a normal distribution. This distribution has a mean of 61 and standard deviation of 11. Use the standard deviation rule, aka the empirical rule. What is the approximate percentage of 1 mile long roadways with potholes numbering between 28 and 83? So I start by drawing out the normal distribution. So it's just a couple of lines and then try to draw a nice smooth bell curve. It doesn't matter how pretty it is. And then break each half into 3 sections. So maybe I'll change the middle line to be like teal, and then so we can see what each half is a little bit better. Okay, and then it might be helpful to color in each section. So the middle section, and then the next one out is going to be orange. And then next one out from there is yellow. And then little ends are pink. Okay, so this middle section is 68% total. So each one is 34%. And this is just a rule. It's the same every single time. Oh my gosh. I haven't used my iPad in a bit, so everything that's happened like the past week is coming in. And then from out there, from here to here, that is 95% of the data. So that adds an extra 13.5% in either one of these. And then from there, we go out to the yellow portion, and that makes up 97.5, if I remember correctly, percent of all the data. Oh, those links aren't opening for me. Let me verify that 97.5. If it hasn't been a while, I always forget. Empirical rule. Oh, 99.7. Okay, I'm glad I looked it up. Okay, so from the yellow, the ends of the yellow lines is 99.7. And then you get 2.35% in each one of these. And then the very end, it's, oh gosh, what's left on the ends? It's a little small amount. Oh, 0.15%. Okay, so everything I've done so far really doesn't have anything to do with the problem. It's just setting up the empirical rule. And this was the same every time. Now I'm going to put the information from the problem in. The mean will go in the middle, that's 61. And the standard deviation is what you use to fill in the rest. So if you're going to the right, you add the standard deviation each time. So 61 plus 11 is 72. 72 plus 11 is 83. 83 plus 11 is 94. If you're going to the left, you subtract. So we'd get 50, 40, or 39, and 28. I hope I've subtracted correctly. So the question is, what is the approximate percentage of 1 mile roadways with potholes numbering between 28? So 28 is right here, and 83. So that is, I'm going to get another color. We want to know the percent from this blue line to this blue line. From there, you just add up what all the percents are. So that's 2.35% plus 13.5%. And then I'm just going to say 68%. And then plus 13.5%, because the middle here is 68. So if you add that up, I gotta grab a calculator. It's 2.35 plus 13.5 plus 68 plus 13.5. And I made a typo, so I gotta type it again. Okay, 97.3%. And that should be the answer.